Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our 11th physics topic, that is first topic of 11th physics, that is unit measurement and dimensions. Now in this topic we will study what is mean by unit and what are the measurements and dimensions. So in this first, unit is a standard by which you can measure a physical quantity is known as the unit of that quantity. जैसे हमें पता है दूध वाला हमें किस में दूध देता है, यस किलो में देगा क्या, नहीं वो लीटर में देगा. सो एज वी नो दैट द लिक्विड क्वांटिटी कैन बी मेजर्ड इन यूनिट. सो लीटर इज द यूनिट ऑफ दैट क्वांटिटी. नाउ अगर हमें गेहूं नापना है तो गेहूं जो है वो हम किस में नापते हैं, ग्राम किलोग्राम, राइट. सो किलोग्राम इज द यूनिट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वांटिटी. अब हमें वो क्या नापते हैं, हम लोग जो है उसका मास. सो मास इज मेजर्ड इन किलोग्राम. अगर हमें किसी क्लोथ का लेंथ मेजर करना है तो हम लोग किलोमीटर में नापेंगे क्या, नहीं. वी हैव टू यूज meter scale. So certain units are there or certain standards are mentioned, and that is those standard is nothing but the unit of that quantity. Now we will see what are the types of unit. As we know that there are following types. That is फर्स्ट टाइप कौन सा होता है, CGS यूनिट. CGS यूनिट. सेकेंड टाइप होगा MKS यूनिट, राइट. और थर्ड टाइप होगा FPS यूनिट. एंड लास्ट दैट वन इज योर unit of international standard, that is SI unit. Now in this CGS unit we have to express, or the length is expressed in the form of C stands for. So here it is, if we measure length, mass and time, so we come to know that CGS, C means length is measured in centimeter, whereas gram, that is mass, is measured in gram, and time in second. Now in the next topic, the next unit is that MKS. In this MKS unit we know that mass is length is measured in meter, ये होगा सेंटीमीटर, और ये होगा ग्राम, और ये होगा सेकंड. तो ये होता है, राइट. नाउ यम केस में क्या होगा, मीटर, किलोग्राम, और दूसरा होगा सेकंड, राइट. नाउ द एफ, सो लेंथ इज मीटर इन फीट एंड mass is measured in Pascal, whereas time is measured in second. And in SI system में क्या होता है, length is measured in meter, right, and mass is measured in kilogram, whereas time is measured in second. So we come to know that CGS means centimeter, gram and second. MKS meter, kilogram and second. F is feet, Pascal, second. और ये क्या होगा, SI, which are unit for the international standard. So these are the types of unit. The physical quantities means the quantities which are measurable. So as we know that the quantities which are measurable are known as the physical quantities, right. So now there are types of physical quantities are two, which are they, first we are grouped into two categories. That is first one, that is the fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities. Yes, fundamental physical quantities. Then second है derived physical quantities. So हमें क्या करना है? What are fundamental quantities that we have to study? Fundamental मतलब what are the fundamental physical quantity? The quantities which are not depending on the other as the fundamental physical quantities. मतलब क्या हुआ? जो quantities कौन से? जो physical quantities दूसरे क्वांटिटीज पे डिपेंड नहीं है फॉर देयर मेजरमेंट आर नोन एज द फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. राइट? Of fundamental quantities are as follows. Now length, as we know that length is measured in meter and the symbol for the is represented by m symbol. Now mass is measured in kilogram and the symbol for it is represented by kg, whereas time in second and the symbol is yes. Temperature is Kelvin and it is measured in Kelvin, whereas it is denoted by K. Luminous intensity, that is candela, so that is measured in CD and is represented in CD. Candela is represented in CD, whereas electric current, that is measured in ampere and is measured in and is denoted by capital E. Now amount of a substance that is measured in mole and is represented by MOL. That is which one? Derived physical quantities. Now what is meant by derived physical quantities? So the physical quantities which are depending on, yes, which are depending on other, that is one or more, that is other means कितना होगा वो? That is one or more physical quantities for their measurement, are known as yes, derived physical quantities. So derived physical quantities means which one? The physical quantities which are depending on other physical quantities, right, for their measurement. मतलब क्या बना? ये physical quantities कैसे derived means it is obtained from the other physical quantity, right? So it means what? मतलब क्या बना कि ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज दूसरे एक या फिर और दूसरे क्वांटिटीज पे डिपेंड करते हैं ना, तो उसको जो क्वांटिटीज एक और दूसरे अगर दूसरे क्वांटिटीज पे डिपेंड करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? द क्वांटिटी इज सेड टू बी derived physical quantity. Derived means it is obtained from fundamental physical quantities, right? Such as velocity. We will example for the we are taking it as a velocity. As we know that what is velocity? Velocity can be defined as displacement divided by time. Right? So this one can be obtained. Yes. अब बोलिए velocity कितने physical quantities पे depend करते हैं? Distance and time. So velocity is depending on two fundamental physical quantity. So unit अगर हमें express करना है, unit of velocity अगर देखना है तो क्या करना होगा? हमें unit of displacement और यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी का भी कंसिडर करना होगा, यूनिट ऑफ टाइम का भी कंसिडर करना होगा। मतलब कैसे बना? अब हम लोग इसको कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? यस, देखो यूनिट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एज वी नो दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ए लेंथ एंड इज मेजर्ड इन, इज ए लेंथ, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ए लेंथ एंड इज मेजर्ड इन, यस, L. It is measured in L. That is meter and is measured in meter. Length is measured in meter. Whereas unit of time, time is measured in second. Second. So what will be the unit of velocity? Yes, it will be meter per second. So velocity, unit of velocity can be expressed as meter per second. Meter per second. That are. So how to define the units from derived quantities? So examples are, now in a simple way, we are having length, area and volume. Now, so how to define the unit of this quantity? So length is measured in meter, area is measured in meter square, right? Meter square, right? And volume is measured in meter cube. So what are the units of length? Unit of, yes, units, right? Length is measured in meter, whereas area is nothing but the length into length. It means it is meter square. And volume, that is to be measured in, yes, meter cube, right? So now the next one, now the another example of it is acceleration. Acceleration, as we know that acceleration is nothing but the velocity divided by time. Now if we have to obtain the unit of the acceleration, so how we can write? We will write it as a unit of acceleration is equal to unit of velocity divided by unit of time, right? So how to define the unit of acceleration? Unit of velocity upon the unit of time. So we know that velocity, unit of velocity is which one? Meter per second. Now time is measured in second. So now we can obtain the unit of acceleration as what is मीटर. अब ये सेकेंड है, सेकेंड ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. So this one, it is the unit of acceleration. Now the next one, we will study about force. Yes, how to define the unit of force. So we come to know that force is nothing but force. force is nothing but mass into acceleration, right? Acceleration, right? Force into acceleration. Now, so mass, if we have to obtain the unit of force, it means what we have to find out first? First, we have to find out unit of mass and unit of what? Acceleration. In the short form, we will write it as a ACCN. Now, unit of mass is nothing but, yes, kilogram, right? And unit of acceleration, as we have studied in the previous example, that is meter per second square. So what will be the unit of force? So unit of force will be, yes, kilogram meter per second square. So this is the unit of force. Now we obtain the unit of force. So what is force? How to obtain the unit of any physical quantity, that is the derived quantity, obviously. So force is derived from the mass, it is a basic quantity or a fundamental quantity, and acceleration it is again a derived quantity. So force is depending on mass and acceleration. So unit of mass we have known about it, that is kilogram, and unit of acceleration we know it as a meter per second square. So with a combination of these two, we can obtain the unit of force, that is kg meter per second square. Now in the next density, we know that formula for density is mass upon volume. Now अगर हमें ये डेंसिटी का यूनिट अगर फाइंड आउट करना है तो क्या करना होगा? यस, वी हैव टू फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट यूनिट ऑफ मास अपॉन यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें पता यूनिट ऑफ मास इज किलोग्राम, right? And unit of volume is meter cube. So what will be the unit of density? Yes, unit of density is equal to, yes, क्या होगा? Unit of density is equal to क्या होगा? किलोग्राम meter cube. So unit of density will be kilogram meter cube. So now the next example, that is pressure. So how to define the unit of pressure? Pressure is nothing but the force per unit area. So how to define the unit for the pressure? So unit of pressure is nothing but the unit of force divided by unit of area. तो बोलिए फोर्स का यूनिट क्या था? हमने देखा था, यस, किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, राइट. नाउ यूनिट ऑफ एरिया क्या रहेगा? मीटर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट विल बी द यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर? किलोग्राम मीटर डिवाइडेड बाय मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ये मीटर का एक मीटर के कैंसिल हो गया. ये क्या होगा? किलोग्राम डिवाइडेड बाय मीटर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. इट इज नथिंग बट द यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर. That is kilogram, yes, मीटर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, ये कौन सा यूनिट होगा, ये ऐसा यूनिट होगा, और दूसरा कौन सा है, पास्कल. वी हैव मेंशन्ड दैट प्रेशर एज अ पास्कल, राइट. नाउ दिस इज फॉर योर प्रेशर. मतलब अगर हमें यूनिट फोर्स का प्रेशर का अगर निकालना है तो हमने क्या किया, यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया. मतलब यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन फोर्स का यूनिट, सो यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन फोर्स का यूनिट और एरिया का यूनिट. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव डिफाइंड द यूनिट फॉर प्रेशर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन अगर देखते हैं, सो दैट इज unit of work done. So what is work? Yes, what is work? Work done is nothing but force into क्या रहता है, displacement, right? Force into displacement. This is the formula for work done. Now अगर मुझे work का unit define करना है, so unit of work, if we have to define, that is nothing but किसका यूनिट, यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स, और किसका, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, यूनिट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट, राइट ना. अब क्या होगा, यूनिट फोर्स का यूनिट क्या है बोलो, केजी मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. वी हैव डिफाइंड. नाउ डिस्प्लेसमेंट का यूनिट क्या होगा, मीटर. तो ये क्या बना, वर्क डन. वर्क डन का यूनिट क्या होगा, किलोग्राम. यस, ये मीटर होगा और ये मीटर का स्क्वायर होगा, और डिवाइडेड बाय सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर per second square. That is nothing but it is measured in, work done is measured in joule. किसमें, joule, right? So that is nothing but the joule.